Hey, what's up guys, it's Carly. So this week on OMMyGoshTV I did something a little bit different, so the theme may be a little bit tricky to guess, but just think. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can check me out on my main channel, TheMakeupTroll, where this week I did a skeleton makeup tutorial for Halloween. Also check me out on Truth Plus Dare. So subscribe to Truth Plus Dare, OMMyGoshTV, and my channel especially. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. The person who's getting a shout out this week for guessing last week's theme correctly, which was costume, is Melanie Marie. Channel, and go check it out and subscribe to her. Comment down below what you guys think this week's theme is, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.